One of the most common misconceptions about testosterone for women is that it's for men only because it's a male hormone. And that's just not the case. Although it is a very important hormone, debatably the most important hormone for a man, especially over 35, testosterone has an incredible impact in a woman's health and the way she experiences her life. The two most important things about it are simply this. Number one, it's strong enough for a man, but it really is made for a woman as well. So it's not just a male hormone. Thing number two is testosterone is 3 times as potent in laying down new bone as estrogen. And we all know as women age beyond menopause, one of the biggest risk factors they have is osteoporosis, which is a thinning of the bones. And then trivial trauma can then break a hip. Breaking a hip is a big deal. We talk about it as if it's just a broken bone, but actually the 12-month mortality, and mortality means death, is 50% in 12 months of a woman who breaks her hip. So it's a big deal. Estrogen is a very potent bone strengthening hormone, but testosterone is actually 3 times as powerful in that. It's also super involved in collagen. It is one of the most potent collagen stimulators, and collagen, as we know, in our skin is what gives our skin our youthful elasticity. So you're spending all that money on all those fancy creams. One of the best things you could be doing is actually optimizing your testosterone as a woman to have a youthful, vibrant face. It's also very, very potent at making healthy, strong hair. And so while men might take testosterone for different reasons, women will benefit from testosterone therapy for bone health and skin and hair.